Hey, what's up guys, Abhi here, and today I'm gonna show you a mouse which looks like straight out of a sci-fi movie, and it is none other than the Gravastar Mercury M1 Pro. This looks absolutely sick. It has RGB and this construction is super solid. So let's have a look at this mouse and see if it is any good. I've done a short unboxing on my TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to go follow me there. So in the box you get the mouse, the 2.4 GHz receiver, a 4K dongle, and then you have grips and extra skates, which is just a cherry on top. The overall box looks really sick, the packaging is solid, and the unboxing experience was really great. As you can see, the box looks really good with the Be Cool Play It branding, a little on the flashier side, but overall the unboxing experience was really good. It is a bit on the heavier side compared to what I was using earlier, since I was using a Glorious Model O wireless, which was about 69 grams, and this comes around 89 grams. But you will be surprised that I prefer the heavier mouse in this case. So let's have a look how this performs in games or just like your day-to-day usage. So taking a look at the overall build, it is built like a tank. The mouse that I have here is the Battle Worn edition. It also comes with a 4K sensor, which you can buy separately as well in case you want to go for a different color. But the Battle Worn edition comes with the 4K sensor. So instead of just connecting to the 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth, which basically gives you 1000 polling rate, connecting with the 4K receiver, it gives you a polling rate of 4000, which is just insane. The battery life also lasts about 140 hours. Thus having that extra weight makes sense. And to be honest, the weight also adds to the overall control of the mouse because all the micro adjustments get way easier, and since I was using a lighter mouse earlier, my aim seems to have improved after using a heavier mouse. This is a bit on the smaller side since I have large hands, because I generally used to rest all of my hand on the mouse, but in this case it is more of like a claw grip. The mouse clicks are satisfying, the middle mouse scroll also performs decently well, you have good amount of scroll feedback, and the click also works flawlessly. The only major nitpick I have is on the side buttons, since they are a little wobbly and could have been a little more tactile. But apart from that, the overall build is really solid and I absolutely love using this mouse, even though I have turned off RGB because I'm not a huge fan of it, and I can squeeze in some extra hours without using the RGB. But if you're in the bandwagon of having RGB, you have 5 different options to choose from. Also, performance wise, this mouse is really solid. It definitely improved my aim in a lot of games and I absolutely love this. As I mentioned earlier, apart from going 4000 Hz polling rate, this also goes up to 26,000 dpi. I don't know a person who will ever use that 26,000 dpi, but it is there in case you want to use it. Good range, and there are no hiccups in between games, and you don't seem to lose connection at all. I've tried the connection with all 3 methods, which is the 2.4 GHz connection with my 4K receiver and the 1K receiver, and also Bluetooth. Seems to work amazingly in all of them. This is a sort of mouse when people look at it, they're definitely gonna ask which one is it, because it looks so freaking cool. And Gravastar not only makes mice but also a lot of other things like Bluetooth speakers, which look absolutely out of this world. You can check out their website in case you want to grab one, and the links will be in the description box down below in case you want to spice up your setup. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a quick one, but stay tuned for the next video, which is gonna be a really special one. So make sure to subscribe and drop a comment on what videos would you like to see on the channel. Till then, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.